This year we introduced our new hopper line, the Tempest. We've learned a lot in the past 10 years producing stainless steel hopper spreaders, and we have taken what we have learned in order to produce a better product for our customers. We've changed several things, for instance having both a drag chain as well as an auger for salt delivery that gives our customers more options so they can truly get a product that fits their applications. With the introduction of the Tempest hopper and having the option between a drag chain and an auger, it allows a contractor to choose what delivery system he wants in order to be able to be more efficient with his de-icing material. Sometimes if you don't have really accurate control over your de-icing material, you can either put too much down where you're spending additional money on the de-icing material, or you don't put enough de-icing material down and you open yourself up to liability claims for slip and falls and things of that nature. Other changes that we've made to the Tempest from the outgoing line is we've gone from a welded design to a bolt and riveted design that allows for a cleaner look as well as an actually stronger construction than welded. It also allows certain pieces of the hopper to be replaced if they get damaged. You can simply unbolt a piece, the damaged section, and replace it with a service part. A lot of the changes that we've made are truly due to customer feedback. We listen to our customers. Our salespeople are out in the field every day talking to dealers, talking to customers, and we bring that feedback back to our product development department, and we're able to make changes quickly in order to better serve our customers.